Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group.
Hello, young mathematicians. My name is Millie. Welcome to Umizoomi Maths. Early Year Foundation Stage 2. Today, we have an exciting exercise of learning maths.
All right, young learners, let's have some fun with patterns today. Look at the first row. Can you guess which one continues the pattern? Take a moment to think. If you pick the parrot, give yourself a pat on the back. Tick the parrot. Moving on to the second row now. What do you think? Which one continues the pattern? Take your time. Great job if you chose the duck. Now let's tick the duck. Ready for the challenge in the third row? Which bird continues the pattern? Think about it. Fantastic! It's the woodpecker. Give it a tick. On to the fourth row. Which bird keeps the pattern going? Take a moment to decide. Well done. It's the vulture. Tick the vulture. And now, the last row. Which feathery friend continues the pattern? Think carefully. Excellent. It's the hen. Give the hen a tick. Keep up the great work, little mathematicians.
Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.